Lenke 공감사 다리니 벽결론이 동기하다 십시 쉽게 ramne 장란을 편도구바 타거다베 제부 줍시 당 치료기동이 서직 다우주베 제 주고 레사 민마레 레사 민마니기 성규 고조카니 진호 공사 겸교연 정부 초기 점린 시대 공배도 최버츠 뉴버덴베토니 차례 남교베 고르까 제베 고르당 저머니 경규 체면나 규대 표미 남기 표된 디다나 고르 Pemitikzu Todin Lekone Pemi Shijaka Sumna Yangju Leshi Gonzu Nafi Koji Shuki Sangyur Mutu Sigrona. Lerimki Tomar Pemilana maybe Utijino Conscamgun Chimbochoaki, Zamling Chuluki, Tezo Ting Gebeto, Sungtin Zevinang, Zamling Shide Combeto, Chebatu, Nala Nuba Dembetoni, Charlie Nangubaka Peptu. Shenyang Conscamgun Chimbochoaki, Zamling Dito, Chulu Zami, Shize Tarup Teshi, Chamze Yimbe, Chamzeni, Shide Sabian Tabu Yin Jetan, Nang Simki Shide Tunyete, Chulu Daminki, Jedang Patame, Bezo Nangse. Chulu Tundi Tang Pinjun Kujiya Rangshin Ki Yongyu Yimba Kapyobre.
So now, logically, when we think about peace, firstly, inner peace. Without inner peace, full of anger, hatred, jealousy, then it's very difficult to get peace. So therefore, all religion teach us we are, according the theistic religion, we all created by one God. Then non-theistic religion, you say, we all, life after life, we simply, you see, born, but basic human nature is more compassionate. And all religious, the essence of teaching is compassion here. So compassion is the seed of peace. So with compassion, mental peace comes. With that, the verbal action, physical action, all become more peace. So therefore, now, today, the various different religious traditions have very important role to bring inner peace. Then and also now today, not only today, in the past, sometimes unfortunately, due to different religious tradition, and then some problems. Now that these people simply use religion for political reason or power. So real religious teaching is warm-heartedness and forgiveness, these things. So therefore, the theistic religion, non-theistic religion, all religions really have the potential to bring inner peace. And through that way, automatically, mutual respect. Like India is one example. All major religious traditions live together, mutual learning and respect. So therefore, the World Parliament of World Religion is something very, very useful, very important. Now we, as I mentioned earlier, you see, the member of the parliament, you see, we should be more active. Not only gives idea, but practical. wherever you see some problem, in general, particularly in the name of religion, and we should be active, you see, to bring peace, harmony.
Zamling ki chulu ka ki thozo ki chongdu theng thangpu ti shin chilu chikdong ke kya kopchu koksom lor chulu damin war phechu samju jelen ta thundri chungdap su chogo zu yepre. Kanyi chize chubdun resa ngimengen Germany thongker bon na chobe German post marathon bon shebe gyangyu chemyo na kyude nedo pemi namne pödön tidaki gyangyu na du. Gyangyu chemyo te na Germany gyukshar löken tang chidong la yebata kapter pemi ruka ne rangre tödung to pögi getar dade thongker bon ta kyude logyu rangshin tembe sazi jiasu gyangyu 1 kilometer ngani shibju par gyuna du. Gyangyu Tena Germany Puri Chobe Kyapkong North Rhine-Westphalia Puri Choba Nyamshuki Pödön Tita Nawata Shenya Ninter Chino Hoskam Gyon Chembo Chola Adi Sergi Tama Bishe Zene Longo Chupshi Kobe Tuden Sungji Ta Germany Shungma Nine Pymir Dungsem Nyamge Ta Tungyu Ramdek Nawar Gadin Chunle Nyamshu Nawashi Gimbare Tu Pymir Dikzu Töden Legongki Jizo Töden Tsembe Gyakar tu tenshi chebe pimi shija sumde myo chumbi ling ta bandara norge ling tizu targe ling chesu gyangje chöde leshi konzu na du. Chöde leshi di myo chumbi ling sane konzi tenzin choten la ki unje tan ta chöden le kongki leshi genzin tan deyo leche ki sane chöde menkang tu bandara ta tizu je ki sane menshap durup ki duntang ngome chize chupshi ne chudu par pimi gyangje shabshu ko la sabti na du. Ninta Ni Rinki Sabjong Dishin Gyaka Nanki Gyangju Leshi Tola Keke Tulek Ruka Karma Healthcare Export Shebe Gyangju Seva Khan Yimbatan Gyakar Nantu Gyangju Lagdar Te Tim Ki Jodan Jiyin Kor Ngote Tan Gyangju Dan Debe Nyenche Pyoje Nangdan Soki Tela Menshap Zor Gyudun Sabjong Nantu Pemitikzu Töden Lekune Pemi Gyangju Shabshu Di Gu Rangre Shijakagina Pemina Menkangi Tungen Ta Keke Memba Tendu Che Sata Ringbo Domigyo Bar Sane Töden Menkane Taga Gute Kele Memba Tendu Ta Tanashi Jugyo Menju Ta Takje So Nangyu Tungen Jodo Chedu Gongzu Nawashi Chagi Yopata Shija Disumna Leshi Di Lamlong Chungse Shija Shen Ka Tu Rimshin Lagdar Nangchaya Tuhu 다른기 상규 레딤 디점인 벽이 인티네 인달 경시 슈웨 레딤 카 차장 샴라 교배 자기의 가장 den제 돈이 시비교배 대대 넘어지고 공차 나로나